Hi guys, today our topic is while loop. While loop is similar to for loop but is different in parameters, like we need to mention I equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. In that way we use 3 parameters in for loop, but here we use only one condition. Okay, first we need to initialize the value in for loop, then it checks the condition. If the condition is true, then enters inside the block and execute all the instructions. Once all the instructions is completed, again check the condition. Here see, again check the condition. If the condition again is true, then it execute all the conditions inside the loop and again checks the condition. It checks the condition until it fails. Once it fails, then the loop will be end. It is very simple as for loop. Let's try this. First we need to initialize the value, right? So we need to initialize the value. I am taking I int I equals to 0. The I value is 0. I am initialize the value. Then we need to write the while loop, right? So we need to use while keyword. So I need to write one condition. I am writing I less than 10. Okay, if the I less than 10 is correct, then it enters into the loop. So I value is 0 and 0 less than 10, so the condition is true. Here I am writing simple print statement. Yeah, I need to print hi friends. So I need to print hi friends. Yeah, this is the condition. If the condition is true, it enters into the loop and execute the instructions. I am writing only one instruction, that is hi friends. So while run it, it prints infinite times, become the always the I value is doesn't change. So always I less than 0. So always the value is 0. So once it prints the hi friends, then again it check the condition. So again 0 less than 10, so it prints the hi friends. Again it check the condition, again the value is 0. So in that way it becomes infinite loop. Let's try to run it. Yeah, let's see. Here hi friends is printed infinite times, so it's speedily printed so many times. So we need to increment or decrement based on our requirement. So here I am increment the value of I. So first I value is 0, I value is 0, so it printed hi friends. Then I becomes 1, so 1 less than 10, the condition is true, it prints the hi friends. Then I becomes 2, then 2 less than 10. In that way hi friends printed 10 times. Let's see. Yeah, it prints 10 times. Okay, I mentioned high value also. Here I am mentioning I value. Yeah, let's see this. It prints 10 times from 0 to 9. It means it prints 10 times. So in that way, at the point of 10 less than 10, so the condition is failed, so the loop will be ended. In that way the while loop is works. So same program we do in Python, but in Python we need to semicolon here. In that place we need to use semicolon, and there is no brackets in the Python, and there is gaps. The gaps are most important in Python. Okay, let's say the syntax senses and flowcharts, everything is same as Java. I am mentioning I equals to 0. Here I am using while keyword, and same I less than 10. So I need to put colon here, so I need to take some gaps here. It is mandatory in Python, and I am writing simple print statement. Hello friends, and I need to mention I value also. So here I am not increment the I value, so in that way it prints infinite loop. Let's see it. So it prints infinite times, so it is the condition is never false, so it prints infinite times. So I am writing small increment here, I plus 1. So the value is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. In that way the value becomes 9, it prints hello friends. Then I value becomes 10, so 10 less than 10, the condition is failed, so it comes out of the loop. In that way the while loop is work. It is very simple. And yeah, while loop, for loop, if and else, this is the most important, these are the most important topics we can use in any programming in Java as well as Python. So please try to understand these topics, because these are the basic topics, right? So we need to full grip on that. Most of the people felt like coding is hard, but it is not hard actually. It is not familiar, that's it. But it is very easy, but we need to practice more. If you like the video, please share and subscribe and like it. Thank you.